Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Hello and thank you for stopping by. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. I can't wait till you see what we have in store today. You can make this with the kids and have lots of fun. Drum roll, please. And today we'll be making crescent wrap sausage. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sausage Legs. All right, this next process is pretty easy. You're gonna take these skewers and put them inside the sausage, just like that. Very simple. If you're gonna do this with your kids, make sure an adult does it, as those sticks are pretty pointy. And now I'm gonna open up this crescent roll and hope it doesn't explode on me. No matter how prepared you are, it always gets you. I knew it was coming because I squeezed it, but it still got me. And now I'm going to roll out this crescent roll into a long string. This took years of practice to perfect. Just kidding. And hey, if you're enjoying my content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. And what we're going to do is wrap that rascal. We're going to wrap it around and around and around. And when you're done, it should look something like this. All right, are you guys ready? Check this out. That's pretty awesome. It may not be perfect, but it was a lot of fun to make. I think it's awesome, combining just two ingredients and making something cool. And tasty. Awesome. All right, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.